What's up and welcome back. This is Nick up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee, and today we got a 2000 model Chevrolet pickup truck with a 5.3 Vortec under the hood. Nice quiet motor, 160,000 miles. We'll check that out to be precise. We got it up here at Maple Motors in Hendersonville, Tennessee. Check us out, maplemotors.com. We're gonna be taking this truck down the road for a test drive, pointing out any kind of flaws we can find. That way you know exactly what you're buying when you get here. We're borrowing this parking lot for right now. We're paving our parking lot. We usually do classic American custom car videos. And today we're doing a modern style. It's just some of the stuff we got in. We also got a Toyota Tacoma getting ready to do a video on as well. So yeah, go ahead and hit that subscribe button. I do have financing, I do have shipping information. It's about that time. Let's go for a ride. Before we take off, go look around the interior, get her started up. The gauges are not doing that. I don't know if the refresh rate's making that flash down here or not. Most of the time it will in the camera. It's showing 164,000 miles on the dash. All of our gauges are working. AC's nice and cold in this one. Radio works. It's on auxiliary right now. Let's see. Radio is working. It's coming through all the vents. You got your tinted windows. Interior's in good shape. I took the steering wheel cover off just to show you the steering wheel's in good shape. Decent console. Does have a crack right here, just where you lean on it. Back seat's in good shape. Pretty nice truck inside. Stock exhaust, nice and quiet. So we're good there. Horn works. Wipers, all that good stuff works. It does have a cowl hood on it. All right, that's pretty cold. It's already cold today. Let's cut that off. We're gonna take off down the road and see how she drives. All right, guys, getting ready to take off here. Go ahead and put my seatbelt on. Backing out the spot. Making sure everything's all right. Let me get y'all set up a little bit better here where y'all can see everything. So I do have a few stops to make. Truck's taking off nice and smooth, pulling hard. Got a good strong motor on it. Go ahead and roll the window up so we can listen to it. Our oil pressure's sitting around 60. Engine temperature is at 200. We're going straight as an arrow down the road. It's not pulling left or right. As soon as I turn, it turns. It's got all new brakes all the way around. Not just the pads. Everything's been replaced on the brakes. All right, I got to stop in here and pick up a part for one of the cars at the lot, and then we're going to continue this test drive. We'll also get some outside shots right after this, driving by over the camera, letting you see underneath, and trying to describe the truck all the way. There's also a walk around video I want you to watch, point out any kind of paint flaws. It does have some chips and scratches here and there, and an aftermarket hood. So I'll be going over that in the video. All right, guys, let's get these shots. All right, here we go. We're gonna take off down the road now and finish up this test drive. So it gets nice and dark in here with the windows up. Let's roll out. This will be a great everyday driver, especially if you're looking for a pickup truck in this model. It's got decent miles for the year. Mainly just paint issues. Definitely watch that walk around video. I just got done walking around the truck. Had a little bit of clear coat coming up here and there. Chips and scratches, your average truck cosmetics. All right, guys, hope y'all enjoyed this video. As you can tell, this truck runs and drives awesome. If you're interested, jump on over to maplemotors.com. I do have financing, I do have shipping available. I got a Tacoma I'm about to jump on and test drive it today too. We got a couple modern things I want to get out of the way and throw a bunch of my classics back on here. All right, I'm heading to the house right now, and then I'm going to head back to the car lot. I'll see y'all shortly. All right, I hope you enjoyed this video. Check us out at maplemotors.com. Close to 100 detailed pictures, wheels, tires, parts, and accessories are available. Well, most of the time we do American classic muscle cars, but today we're doing a modern vehicle. And we have two of them to do today, actually. A Tacoma is coming up next. You can also get 100 detailed pictures of this ride and the Tacoma that's coming up next. We do update our website every Monday, but we're actually gonna skip next Monday. We are updating the 4th, January the 4th. We're gonna have a fresh new stock. We're talking, I'm not gonna say, but I'd say close to 30 cars are going on the website, and that's the most that we've updated with probably ever in the history of Maple Motors. So it's going to be a huge update. Basically all new cars on the lot, first of the year, new pavement. I'm excited to show it off, and I want to thank y'all for joining this channel and following me along with all the videos that we've been posting this year. Y'all are the reason that we've got so many subscribers. I want to keep that going. I'm going to be posting a whole load of videos on the 4th. So be ready for that. We're gonna take off down the road on this and call it a day. Y'all have a good one, guys. I'll see y'all later.